Verifying your identity on Neo4j Aura is an essential step to ensure the security of your account. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access the Neo4j Aura login page. Go to the Neo4j Aura website and click on the login button. Enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the dashboard. This is usually found in the user profile menu. Step 3. Select identity verification. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide required information. Fill out the necessary fields with your personal information such as your full name, address, and any other requested details. Ensure that the information is accurate. Step 5. Submit verification documents. Upload the required documents to verify your identity. This may include a government-issued ID or proof of address. After uploading, click the Submit button to complete the process. After completing these steps, you will receive a confirmation regarding the status of your identity verification. Make sure to check your email for updates.